Good morning, Jeannie Gale. Good morning, Ed. So, guys, every day presents me with a new opportunity to burn the bread. So, ready, set. Let's see how badly I burn the bread today. So, I'm putting it on a flat iron over here just to toast up a little bit. And it's breakfast time. So, you guys know I am afraid of tomatoes because sometimes you bite into them and they are like styrofoam. Ooh, I can't stand it. So I only eat my tomatoes cooked. So I don't eat bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches, but I have made my own version that I love very much. So I do bacon, onion, avocado, and lettuce. And today I'm going to do that very thing. And while I'm, waiting for the bread to burn, I'm going to make a little garlic mayonnaise. So, I always keep things around like this. So, I have a little spoonful of roasted garlic that I'm just going to pop right in there and kind of smush that all together. I've just got a couple teaspoons of mayo in this little ramekin. And there. Now that's going to be really good on my burned bread. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's already started. I have started the burning of the bread. Maybe if I turn the fire down a little lower, it won't burn so fast. There we go. So anyway, all I'm going to do, hello Elizabeth, hello Sarah, is when my bread is a little crunchy, and ideally I like to do this if I had a grill. I'd do it on the grill. As a matter of fact, I should probably buy one of those grill pans. Because I would like to have like char stripes on this bread if I could, but you know me, I'll just have char all over the bread by the time I'm done. So here's this is coming along. It's getting a little char on it, but not too much, so that makes me happy. And I guess I could probably use a little knife here to start breaking up my bits of avocado. I just make little tiny paper thin slices down in here, and then it will spread like butter, like my mayonnaise and garlic will. How's this looking over here? Have I burned the bread yet today? I have not. So I happen to have part of the reason I'm making this is that, I'm trying not to go to the grocery store as often. So I had a little bacon this morning, I had a little bread, and everything. So this is kind of what got put together at the last minute. So last night I had another, I think my third online wine event. They are going swimmingly well, and I'm going to highly recommend to everybody to call your favorite wine geek and organize one for your friends. So what we can do is things like, see, now I'm starting to burn the bread because I'm not paying attention. So let me turn the heat off on that. So what we do is you invite your guests, and we'll set everybody up with a link to order the wine so that everybody has the same wine in their homes. And then we get on a Zoom call, and everybody drinks together, everybody talks together, everybody gets a little tipsy together. By the end, people are a little blue and telling sort of off-color jokes, which I think is always fun. So that is the kind of fun we've been having here at my house, and why I worked so crazy hard on Thursday to get this room back in order, even though this room is still somebody's worst nightmare. I mean, really, guys, it's going to take a long time. It's going to take another 10 hours to get that back. So hello, Aaron. Hello, Mike. Hello, Brian. And here we go. I think that my bread is just perfectly burned right now. Excellent, right? Burn on the outside, crispy on the inside. So I'm just going to take my delicious roasted garlic and mayonnaise smushed together. Give that a good smear here, and another good smear here. Can everybody see all the smearing that's going on? I should have gotten out my sandwich knife for smearing. Let's see if I can find that really fast. So this is a joke in between Hugo and myself because we both have exactly the same story. Oh, here we go. Our mothers individually came to us and said, do you know what this is? Now, Hugo is a far better cook, better trained chef, frankly. But his mother says, do you know what this is? Look, it's called a sandwich knife because it's smooth on one side so you can spread and serrate it on the other so that you can cut your sandwich. And I'm like, can you believe it? What are the chances that two mothers would tell their otherwise really intelligent and worldly children something so simple and banal? Two mothers, one story. So there you go. I guess we were meant to be, right? So now I'm going to smush all this on here. And I think that probably we would be wise to put a little crack of pepper. Oh my gosh, I just got garlicky fingers. And a little pinch of salt. There we go. Excellent. Put the top back on. And here we go. Stack your bacon. Let's put the big 3 pieces here. And then we're going to put a little onion over here where they'll get all sticky in the sticky. Crunchy and deliciousness. And then I think that we should take a couple pieces of lettuce. I have butter lettuce because it's nice and crunchy. Super duper crunchy. And boom, boom. And I think that maybe just a little bit more mayonnaise on top of the onions, kind of as glue, will probably be a pretty smart move on my part. Because when I flip this over, I want it all to stick together. I don't know if I need any more bacon, but I'll put a piece there for kicks. And now, we'll give this a womp there and a press. And a little piece of renegade avocado. Oh, Mama, this is going to be good. So, here we go. Look how that slices right into that sandwich. Aren't you glad I have a sandwich knife? Let's go here. Other side. And, oh, Mama. Oh, Daddy. There's a big old fatty. So there you go, guys. Breakfast at my house. Please go ahead and start filling the calendar for those of you who would like to come here after quarantine and have breakfast or lunch with me. Thank you guys for showing up. I know I'm a little early, but as you know, I have a pretty full calendar until Monday at noon. So I'll see you back here Monday at noon. And don't forget, my friend Kelly is making her world famous granola. I have the recipe right here, which you can find on her page, Kelly Fitzgerald Burns, or in a few minutes when I put my brains on, you're going to find it on my page too. So if you want to make along with her, she's going to Facebook Live at 11 a.m. on Monday, and I will be back at 12 noon on Monday as well. So guys, go. It's early in the day. At least here it's a really nice day. So make yourself something delicious to eat. Get a little creative. Do something that you wouldn't normally do. And take care of yourselves. Get out, get a walk, get your heart beating faster. Tell somebody you love them. Do something good for yourself. I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.